If I would like to suppress alarms for a certain tag, I first need to navigate to the artwork icon in the top left-hand corner. Once I've clicked on that, I need to find the artwork I would like to change the tag settings for and double-click on it. At this point, all the information related to this tag will be shown. To change this, I click on Edit, and I then navigate to this panel on the right-hand side. I have a few options here in how I would like to suppress these alarms. If I would like to completely deactivate this tag and therefore receive no information from it, I simply unclick the active checkbox. When this has no tick in it, it means I will not receive any alarms. If in this case I wanted to suppress particular kinds of alarms, I would keep the tag active and I can choose whether I would like to suppress security alarms or suppress environmental alarms or suppress tamper alarms. I can choose to use these in any variation I please, for example, suppressing security and tamper alarms, but still receiving environmental alarms. At this point, when I've chosen my desired settings, all I need to do is click Save in the top left-hand corner, and my changes will then be saved to the system.